Hey guys, it's Mardell, and welcome to my channel. And today I'm going to open a Hatchimal. So here's my Hatchimal, and it kind of already opened because I already opened it up. So yeah. So first, I don't know if this is a Pinguala or not, but. So yeah, guys, it is Hatchimal's glittering garden. Which one will you hatch? It's a sparkly. This one's a Dranguala right here, and this one is a Pinguala. Wait, no. Wait. Oh, those are both Drangualas. What am I talking about? And this, where's the Pinguala though? Well, anyway, it's a glittering garden Hatchimals. So what you have to do, it says on the back of the box, I need you to take care of me. Keep me safe and happy. When I'm ready, I really hatch. I can't do it without you. You teach me to walk, talk, dance, and more. So, yeah, I just read the back of the Hatchimals box. And so, when you're opening the Hatchimals, it's going to have these two tabs stuck to the bottom of the Hatchimal, which goes somewhere. I don't want to tilt it because it's going to wake up. Right, these two things right here. That's where these two bolt things go in. And when you take it out, the Hatchimal is supposed to start talking. Yeah. So, yeah, guys. And I have, when you get your Hatchimal, it's supposed to have, like, the tips and tricks for the Hatchimals. I'm going to read it at the end of the video. And, yeah. So, let's start opening the Hatchimal. So I'm going to go ahead and, well, you're supposed to first keep on petting it. And I've just woken it up. And it has a color code to the color of its eyes. I'm going to try to start making it keep on pecking. Hopefully. Yeah, guys. So it's pecking. I love these things so much. Oh, that was a big one. Wow, it's really mad staying in there. I've really never seen any animal peck like that. Come on, come on, come on. It likes it when I pet him, and that's when he's going to keep on going. He's kind of like that worker that never will work unless you pay him. Oh, it already looks cute by the way it keeps on talking. It's vibrating. That's so cool. It's already pecking so much. It's getting sleepy. It's still rainbow, so I don't know what to do for it. It's not supposed to just keep on doing that, but oh look, guys, I already got a clue of what it looks like. It's green. It's greenish bluish. Come on. We're not sleeping right now. We're not sleeping. We're not sleeping. Come on. Come on. Keep on pecking. Keep on pecking. Keep on pecking. Yeah, guys, if you hear those loud bangs, it's close to 4th of July and people are throwing fireworks. So yeah. Come on, wake up, wake up. Come on. Do I have to play with it? Like, but it's supposed to hatch. It's really tired. I think I should start helping it now. Just gonna keep on doing this and see if it's gonna keep on pecking because it's supposed to. Wake up. I have to shake you to wake up. Come on. Come on. It keeps on doing rainbow. Rainbow, it says that it's ready to... Thank you. Thank you so much. It's doing it, guys. Gonna keep on petting it. Keep on petting it so it'll keep on. Why would I start petting it? Oh, thank you. Guys, it looks like it has a purple beak and blue fur. It looks like it's gonna be, well, of course it's gonna be sparkly because it's from Shimmer Garden. Glittering Garden, I mean. Come on. It's so cute already. But guys, I wonder how its color just shows right through the egg. That's so cool. I wonder how people do that. Oh, guys, look through there. Isn't that already so cute? Come on, come on. Keep on going. Keep on going. Come on. Colors. Oh. And guys, I gotta like help it get out. So I need to. Oh, it didn't peck enough. It didn't peck enough. You have to keep on pecking. Oh. Guys, you can already see it in there. Oh. Guys, I figured out how they made the eyes look so surprising. You see like this texture right here? It kind of molds out the color. And it makes it look so cool, like it has diamond eyes. Oh, that's so cute and cool. Come on, come on. You can already, oh, you missed it. I think it's really struggling, but I can't. That's such a big hole! This thing is really strong. Oh, it's a dranguala. I was really hoping for it to be a pinguala, but that's still okay. They're both really cute. The same. The pingualas, I like the pingualas because it has hair on the top, and that's really cute. It's really sleepy. Guys, I can start help taking it out right now. Oh, I got it out. Oh, that's so cute. It still thinks it's pecking. You're done. You're done. Why are you still pecking? That's so cute. It still thinks it's pecking. Isn't that so cute, guys? Yes, it's a Dringwalla. That's so cute. Now am I supposed to just start peeling? Yeah, I'm supposed to peel because it can't peck anymore. Come on, Hatchimal, you're not sleeping. I think it's really bad that I keep on tearing this. Because on the videos, I never really see them do this. But I don't see any other way. Oh, they're breaking off pretty easily. Okay, guys, I'm doing it right. And then you just supposed to. Come on. It still thinks it's pecking. It's really sleepy. Guys, how do I get it out of here? Oh, it really hurts when they peck. Does it open its mouth? Oh, that's terrible. Finally! I got it out of the bottom. Oh, cool. That's the thing that makes it rotate. Yay! So guys, I got my the Dringwalla out of the case, and at the back it has like this tear point where you just tear it around, and then I'll be able to start flapping. I know I was waiting for that. Guys, it's really sleepy. Can't you tell? It keeps on sleeping. So yeah, guys, this is my Dringwalla. Isn't it so cute? The terrible thing is it isn't that fluffy as my Furby, which I have. I have a Furby. I didn't do a video on a Furby, but I will soon. Yeah, it still thinks it's changing because it's changing color. That means it still thinks that it's hatching, and now I have all these egg bits all over my table. Congratulations. Well, guys, I'm going to bring in my Furby in 3, 2, 1. Here it is, guys. Isn't that so magical? Well, it may look really creepy right now because it has no battery in it. For some reason, the battery died. So yeah, guys, this is much fluffier than the... Oh, it's sleeping. It's not so cute. It's sleeping. Yeah. This is much fluffier than this. But you can still rub her belly. This one, it has its own app. I want to know if Hatchimals has its own app. That would be interesting if it had its own app. Yeah, guys. So I'm gonna let my Pingwalla sleep. Why do I keep on calling it Pingwalla? I just like Pingwalla so much. My Dringwalla sleep. Yeah. In front of you guys. I'm gonna let it go back in the bottom of its egg It's gonna look really cute. Aw, isn't that so cute? Just gotta put it on top of a plate to make it actually be tall enough for you to see. Those bangs are way too loud. It's not even 4th of July yet. You're just doing it too early. It was last night, the night before, the night after. Okay, guys, so I'm going to read you the Hatchimals tips and tricks. So, stage 1 is the egg. Nurture my egg until I'm ready to hatch. You can tilt, tap, or touch the egg to interact. Hatching. I'll peck my way out of the egg. When I pause, hold the egg. When it's a baby, care for me, feed me, cuddle me, comfort me, and more. How do I feed it? This mouth doesn't open. Toddler. Teach me, learn to walk, dance game. Okay. Stage. Kid. Play with me and lock new games. Okay, so now I'm gonna go. I just read what's up here on the thing.